Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to repurpose or upcycle old stockings that you do not need anymore, maybe because you don't like them or you don't like the color or they are maybe a bit too small as well. And what I'm about to show you is a simple hack on how to easily turn them into Spanx. This also works with stockings that are a bit too short for you or simply too tight. First off, you should mark the place where you want to cut your stockings. Since I plan on wearing the Spanx under a skirt, a thigh-high length is about right for me. Keep in mind that they will turn out shorter since you will be pulling them up to your tummy. Then simply cut along your marks and there you have your own Spanx. I cut off a little less than I was supposed to ensure that it wouldn't be too short. As you can see, they work perfectly fine for me. You can actually reuse the cut off part of your Spanx as socks, or as silly as it sounds, you can also cut off a few rings and use them as a choker or as a hair elastic.